Hey everyone, we have Cadbury cocoa powder, so let's check it out. This one is 150-gram pack, MRP is 329, but we got it from Amazon for 269 and it has a shelf life of 1 year. It's simple rotate to open box and packed with a foil seal, and as soon as you open the pack, there is a rich chocolatey aroma comes out, and the powder is very fine, deep dark brown color, and when you touch it, it feels silky. This is pure cocoa powder. There is no sugar or added preservative in it. It's just plain cocoa powder. So if you eat it raw, it will taste a bit bitter. So you can add sugar or any other sweetener and use it in your dessert, or you can make hot chocolate milk with this. In hot milk, it dissolves instantly. But if you make cold chocolate milk, it is actually little difficult to mix it in cold milk. So you have to mix it in a shaker or in a blender, and the taste is authentic Cadbury taste. Rich, smooth, pure cocoa. Everyone from the kids to adults will love it. Great product, definitely worth trying. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.